I would like to ask one more question, but I'm not sure if you'll allow me. But
Well, why don't you ask and then I'll tell you.
are you aware of what communism is?
Irrelevant, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
To you, sorry.
no problem.
One more question. This is part of the four. Are you aware of at any point from, I'm going to take a guess, I'm just going to, from January, at least January 2017 to this date, that I requested the Monarchy of Canada keep all mental health liaison officers off of my files?
And Mr. Burlington, we went through what the focus is today as opposed to,
It's a simple question, Your Honor. She's as far as a police officer swears oaths to her.
never mind all of that, then, okay, ask the question, and she either knows or she doesn't know, ask her.
Are you aware that I have requested all mental health liaison officers stay off of my files from January 2017 forwards?
Your Honor, I do not believe he sat into that direct conversation with myself. However, I know Mr. Verladen maintains a very extensive online blog in which he often talks about the monarchy, the queen, etc., and has expressed continued dissatisfaction with the fact that police and mental health liaison officers have involvement with his file.
And just one more question for me. My last court appearance at the roughly a month ago, and this morning, you had both approached my person and communicated.
Pardon?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear the question.
Roughly a month ago, coming into this courthouse as a witness, and again this morning, you had initiated communications with me.
Yes, Your Honor, that would be correct. I think about a month ago I said...
If I may, in front of a judge, I wish that you never speak to me again. And I do wish that you would stay off of my files.
Okay, let me, that's not a question, that's a statement, I'll take it into consideration. Okay?
Thank you.
Do you have any more questions?
No, I do not. No, I do not.